Hey guys, this is Claude Cowork helping me to do B2B sales through LinkedIn. It is doing the lead scraping, so it's finding the right people on LinkedIn. Then it is studying their posts, understanding what they're talking about. Then it is crafting personalized messages that it is sending along with the connection to those people. And from here, the whole sales conversation is getting started. And then we're funneling it all towards the booking a call and then closing a deal with them. And it is all happening on the background while I'm busy doing other important work in my business. And in this video I'll show you how you can do the same. So this video will have three parts. First of all, I will show you Cowork doing the cold outreach live, so you understand the whole details of this process. Then I'll show you how Cowork can find leads for you for free using the service called API. Right here you'll be able to get 5,000 leads per month completely free. And then finally I'll show you the free setup guide so you can get started with this system in less than 10 minutes, even without having any prior experience. So let's begin. So let me show it to you in action. So first of all, Claude Cowork is a simple tool from Claude, from Anthropic, that is connected to your desktop, to your whole computer, and it can perform tasks on your behalf. So here's the chat interface, and I basically found a specific LinkedIn profile. I want to show it to you on one specific use case. So I'm asking it to study her profile and last 10 posts, then craft a personalized message, and then send a connection with this message. So let's execute and see what will be happening. And Claude Cowork is a very general tool. So this is a one specific scenario. Maybe you have a different sales process. Maybe you have a different source of leads. You can adapt it to any scenario because it literally can do any work that you can do manually. Here on this side, I have the browser opened. This is the browser that is controlled using Claude Cowork. So it is able to do anything. Right now, you see that it just opened this page, actually refreshed it because it was open previously, and then it will start performing actions. It actually is taking some time because it's not super fast. I think that under the hood, it is actually doing the screenshot of the page, analyzing where should we go, where should we press, and then it is doing the actions. So now, as you can see, it says, let me study her profile and recent posts first. You can see that it already understood the high level information from the top part of the profile, and then now it is scrolling down to find something more specific like her posts. And yes, it is taking some time, but you don't really need to care about, because you have all that running on the background while you're doing other tasks. And even if you want to have a bit more automation, you can run different sub-agents, so you have multiple simulations like that running on the background. And as you can see, right now it opened her feed, and now it will start reading every single post and learning about Amy. Now, as you can see, it is writing here the posts that it is reading, understanding the information inside, and then it continues to scroll down to read even more. And now, as you can see, it is sending information that it collected everything that it needed, the context, what Amy is doing, something specific about her, and now it says, let me craft a specific, slightly awkward compliment and send it. I asked it to make a slightly awkward compliment because we want to stand out in the AI slop culture, because now people are sending like thousands and thousands AI generated messages, comments, etc. It all looks too much polished, too much generic, and for that reason we want to stand out here. And now, as you can see, it already prepared the message. Now it's trying to send the connection, and it needs to press add a note, then paste the message that it prepared and send it all together. So here's the form, and now we should see the message being pasted. So here is the message. It just appeared, and now we'll send the connection request. Bam, as you can see, invitation sent to Amy. So here is how Claude Cowork helps us with the cold outreach in a nutshell. Now let's move on to the second part, where I'll show you how you can get leads for free. So here's the API.com. It's a software that connects you to any sort of source of leads. For instance, you can scrape leads from Instagram. You might want to find out who are the people who are following a specific account, and then you will reach out to them. You can do it using API, or you can scrape some sort of, let's say, businesses through Google Maps, local businesses that you want to reach out to. It will also work out. But in our case, we want to do B2B sales. I'll search for Apollo. This is a specific software that helps you to do B2B sales. It is scraping data from LinkedIn, different emails, founders, CEOs, like different positions that you might want to have access to. And you have multiple scrapers that you can use. They are all very, very cheap. Here's the one that I'm using, specifically this one. And it gives you here the pricing. So you're paying $1.5 for 1,000 leads. And API is giving you $5 per month for free worth of credits. So you can get 3,000 leads for free. At the beginning of the video I told you 5,000, it was a mistake, it's actually 3,000, but it's still more than you can actually send connections to through LinkedIn, because otherwise you will be violating their policies. So it is more than enough, trust me. And let me show you how it works. Here's another page where I did one of the runs. You're basically setting up the parameters. You don't need to do it manually. Claude Cowork will do all that for you. But now I'm just explaining to you how it works under the hood. So here I'm saying, let's say, I want to get 100 leads, CEOs and founders from these industries like marketing, advertising, digital marketing, etc. And then with an email. Then we're sending this query, and then bam, we will get an output. Here's an output with 100 leads, just like that, with a name, then with an email in some of the cases, then the most important thing with the LinkedIn URL, with the position, location, etc., anything else that we might potentially need, description of organization, etc., etc. And then Claude Cowork is getting the access to all the data just inside of it, and then it can do the outreach for you. So here in the interface of Claude Cowork, as you can see on the right side, we have this API MCP server. This means that we are connected to API and it can trigger it whenever it needs to. And here's an example table that it actually scraped to me specifically inside Claude Cowork. And it even created the whole Excel file with the leads. It might be interacting with them under the hood. I can also ask, show me the whole list of leads. I will analyze it. You might want to make it write the personalized message first in the table and send only after your approval. So any workflow is possible to implement within Claude Cowork. And finally, here's the instruction how you can set everything up in less than 10 minutes, even without having any prior experience. So first of all, you will need to download Claude Cowork on your computer if you don't have it yet. So you will go to claude.com/download. And by the way, you will have the whole instruction down below in the description. Open it up and just go along with the steps. But now I'll just quickly walk you through the whole thing, so you also understand it on the visual level. You'll need to open it up, then you will just download the right app specifically for your computer. In my case, it is Mac. I downloaded it. Then you will open it up. You will need to log in using your Claude credentials. And by the way, you need either Pro or Max plan. So you need a paid subscription to use Cowork. And Pro plan is just $19 per month. It is well worth it. If you're doing B2B sales, you know that closing one sale will pay off at least a year of using Claude Cowork. So don't worry at all. Then once you set up the app right here, you will go to your Google Chrome browser. And this is important. You need to use specifically Chrome. I tried to use it with other browsers. It doesn't work. So you will need to install the specific Claude extension. You will just go to the search tab. You will write Claude for Chrome and it will offer you this link. And then you will just download, press add to Chrome. The extension will be added to the browser. This is necessary to make Claude Cowork actually be able to access and do stuff on your behalf within the browser. And then it will also create this right tab, and you will need to give the right permissions to do the stuff on your behalf and whatnot. And once this is finished, the only remaining part is to actually connect to API. So you will go to api.com, you will create an account, and then you will be able to get an API key inside an account. It's very easy. You will copy the API key and then you will need to paste it here to the Claude Cowork. And by the way, once again, the instruction is down below. So now I'm just quickly explaining it to you and then you will follow the instruction with all the details. You will just go here to the settings, and then in settings, you will go to connectors. And here in connectors, you will just press browse connectors and search for API. And here you will see API MCP server. You just press open it, and then you will press install, enable it, and you will need to configure it. And here you'll paste your API token. Mine is already here, as you can see. And once again, if you're spending less than $5 in terms of credits per month in API, you don't need to pay anything. And then the model is pay as you go, so you can spend a bit more, pay a bit more, and it will all work out for you well. So you'll just press save, and on this note, everything will be set up and working, and you will just press new task. You will have new chat, and you will say, hey bro, do this cold outreach on LinkedIn for me. Let's say you will also explain to it your offer, your business, who is your target audience and whatnot. And then you will say, do the web scraping using Apollo or using API for some other social media. Give me the whole list of leads, and then let's do the cold outreach. So go ahead, click the link down below and follow the whole instruction to set it all up. And here's another video that you might be interested in. I'm using Claude Code to generate 10 pieces of content for social media in less than 1 minute, with different images, personal images, AI generated infographics with high quality text, and everything super well packaged, so you can use it along with the cold outreach efforts to make the whole setup even stronger.